Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect to your Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra using the Yeedi app, available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the description. So first thing we got to do, our unit is powered on. And you'll notice it's on because we can flip this switch, right? So we have it in the on position, the lights are up. We need to go into the app and we need to scan this code right here. So we're going to go to the right.
Take another 15 seconds.
It's going to open it up.
Please hang tight.
We can scan it. Now it's going to tell us make sure the vacuum's powered on, which we've already done. We'll select next. Turn on the Bluetooth hotspot. So press the reset button for 1 second, then release it. So that's what we're going to do now. 1 Mississippi. We're going to release. And then we're going to go ahead and select done. We didn't hear the prompt though, so let's give it another second to boot up. There we go. So there's our light here. So now we're going to press and let go.
I've activated my Bluetooth hotspot.
So there we go. Activated the Bluetooth hotspot.
Find me in the list of detected
Next. Now it's searching.
Via Bluetooth.
It's connected. That was super
Please
quick.
select your home Wi-Fi and
Now connect to our home Wi-Fi.
the network connection.
So it's going to pull up our Wi-Fi networks here. Connect to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network for best results. Hit next.
Debit now is connected
Now
to the network.
we have a little checklist here. They're connecting to each other in the network.
And avoid switching to other apps. Thanks for getting Debit online.
There we go.
With internet
Select
access,
continue.
Debit's unlocked lots of new skills.
Now it's loading into the
To
device.
make it easier to reach Debit anytime, let's go through a few quick setup steps.
Here we go. Firmware option update right here. I highly recommend turning on auto update and going ahead and doing the update. So let's put it back in the station
Start charging.
so it can charge. And now we'll go ahead and select update.
Updating.
And now we wait. All right, the firmware update's complete. It just took a couple of minutes. Now we can enter back in. And you'll see right front and center, the next step would be to map your home. Once you have a map created, then you can go ahead and do all of your cleaning customizations and get it exactly how you want it. But overall, it's simple and straightforward to set everything up. It'll probably take you longer to update the firmware than to actually set up the vacuum itself. But I highly recommend getting that updated right away and turning on auto update so you have the best experience with the S20 as you possibly can right out of the box. But simple and straightforward to get everything set up within the Yeedi app.